Alright guys, welcome back to part 2. We're going to get the forge turned on and we are going to start forging this thing here. Alright, so one thing that I definitely recommend when forging a axe head from a hammer or any type of housed handle hole, this is a piece of a crowbar. So I kind of just heated it up and kind of smashed it somewhat like a slot hole, and this has been kind of crucial. Don't mind the bent bar, but the axe head is starting to line up pretty well. So I was just getting it off. So keep that in mind. You're welcome to use tongs. It gets you so far, and then eventually you're going to have to use something like this. Sometimes the hole will actually distort on you. So at least by having something in there, it's going to help you protect from getting it all distorted. So yeah, this is kind of the final shape right now. I was going to let it cool down, and then we're going to start the grinding process. What's up guys, welcome back. I don't have my tripod, apologize. But as you can see, we have our axe head forged. Got a nice square going on this. And I really found myself using the bar that I was talking about earlier. Initially I was holding my tongs, really good grip right here, but in order to get this all nice and even, you do need some sort of a metal bar or rod, something to hold on to not distort the eye hole too much. So let's get on to grinding, and I'll show you a quick, I'm gonna do the profile, and then I'll bring it back to the other shop, and I'll start some file grooves around the hammer, get all this nice and, I'll probably use a round file for this, and we'll get everything prepped for heat treat.
Could you be the one? Good, good. Good, good. Could you be the one?
你说不能比我帅的，你干嘛？
如此帅气！
来呀来呀！